May your day be filled to the brim with love and joy and peace and lots of great ideas. May you know that you're more valuable than you think, and the little things you think, say, and do make more of a difference than you realize in the lives all around you. Just like this beautiful hydrangea flower, it was a tiny seed at one point, and now it's bloomed into a beautiful flower. And it had to push up through the dirt, and now it's very beautiful. So no matter what you're in the middle of, know that you're loved, you're valuable, that God is loving you through whatever you're in the middle of, and that things can turn out better than you expect. In the smallest of details, God has a way of making all things new. I'm going to share a verse with you today. I hope you enjoy it. It's Philippians 4, verse 8. And this one's going to be from the New Living Translation. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable and right and pure and lovely and admirable. Think about things that are excellent and worthy of praise. Philippians 4, verse 8. Let's say it again together. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable and right and pure and lovely and admirable. Think about things that are excellent and worthy of praise. We'll say it one more time together. Ready? Philippians 4, verse 8. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable and right and pure and lovely and admirable. Think about